What's up guys, TechFlash here, and today we have the latest and the cheapest Samsung Galaxy phone that is available on the market right now, and this device is called the Samsung Galaxy A01. Now Samsung Galaxy A01 is a very low range device. In fact, it is the cheapest Galaxy Android smartphone that is available right now, and this device is actually not that bad. I mean, if you consider this device, this is actually quite competitive. In fact, if you compare it directly with other Chinese manufacturers, it still holds itself, which is a great thing to say, because normally when it comes to specifications, Samsung is not that great. However, if you look at the back, you can see that there is a dual camera setup along with a flash, and there is a speaker grill available on the back. However, when you will lay it flat, I don't think so any kind of sound is coming out of this device. You're also getting a micro USB port which is available on the lower side of this device, and a headphone jack on the top end. There is a SIM tool tray which is available, so I'm going to remove it just to show you how many SIM cards you can install on this device. Now you have to understand that this device is mostly function towards the Asian consumers which value their dual SIM support. So that is the reason why you're getting full dual SIM support along with a micro SD card option. The display on this thing is actually a 720p display, and you are getting Face ID support in the front camera, which is a 5 megapixel sensor. However, this is just a 2D Face ID, which means that it can easily be fooled. But the main important thing that you should notice right now is the fact that the Google bar here is actually in the dark theme, and that is because the software experience on this thing is actually the latest software experience Samsung has to offer. So if you buy this device, you are going to get OneUI 2.0 out of the box with Android 10, which is a great thing, because normally when it comes to budget devices, the updates are very slow or non-existent. So you are getting a latest version of Android, which is always a neat touch. Talking about the internals, this device comes with a 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of internal storage, and the main highlight of this device is actually the chipset, which is quite good for the price. And the chipset used on this device is called Snapdragon 439. This is the exact chipset which we have seen in multiple devices coming above this price tag, but this is the first time that we are seeing this chipset from a reputable brand in this price tag, which is a very great thing, because this is Samsung and you never expect Samsung to give out the best competitive pricing. Also, talking about the cameras, the front camera is a 5 megapixel sensor, and the back cameras are a 13 megapixel main camera, which is supported by a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So this will allow you to have the live focus facility in your camera, and you can see that the live focus is available on the back camera. Both cameras support 1080p video recording, so whether you are recording in selfie mode or whether you are using the back camera, you are going to get 1080p video result. The battery on this thing is actually a 300 milliampere battery, which is not bad. I mean, we have seen much better batteries in this price segment, but this is not something that I cannot let go. However, the biggest gripe about this cell phone is the charger which is included in the box, and the power brick with this cell phone is actually only a 5-watt power brick, so it will take quite some time to charge this device, and then you will have to use it at least for a day before charging it again. So I want to know what are your thoughts and opinions regarding this cell phone device. Personally, I'm really liking this device, as we are never getting quite some budget competitive pricing from Samsung, and this is a new way Samsung is taking. We have seen devices like A51 succeed quite a bit in the market, and now Samsung has come up with something so cheap. So I want to know what are your thoughts regarding this cell phone, and if you're new to the channel, do subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.